Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. I'm going to show you how to cancel your Tile wallet tracker. I've had this thing for a couple of months and it's useless. So I paid for the smart tracker, and the smart tracker is that if you put this little Tile, it's a wallet size thing, you put it in your wallet, and if you pay $29 a year or maybe $99, whenever your wallet gets within, I'll say maybe 200-300 feet away from you, this will send you a smart alert telling you you left your wallet. Say I left my wallet at home and I'm going to the store. So as soon as I get about 250 feet, 300 feet away, I'm supposed to get an alert on my phone, but it do not work. I've tried it out. I've went 5-6 miles and this thing do not work. I try to get in touch with someone and I can't, so I deleted it off my phone, or I'm gonna delete it off. So I'm gonna show you how to cancel your subscription. First, what you want to do is get here on your phone and go to settings. Once you go to settings, where you see up there where it says my name, it's got the Apple ID, iCloud, media, you click on that. Okay, once you get here, you want to go to subscriptions. You click on that, and on subscriptions, you see up here where it says Tile, find lost keys and phones. You can click on that. Once you click on it, you see down here where it says cancel free trial. So it gives you 1 month free. It's useless anyway. I'm going to get something else. I seen another video on YouTube about the Chipotle card. It links to your Find My. It works with the Apple Find My phone and all that stuff. So I think that'll be better for me because I have an iPhone. But anyway, right here where it says cancel free trial, just hit cancel and you're done. And it says if you're in your trial now, you can still access it until August the 14th because I had purchased it a couple of days ago. So hit confirm. Once you hit confirm, there you go. Your subscription is expiring soon. So that's how you cancel your subscription. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.